Hey guys, so I'm going to show you my fidgets. So let's get right into it. We're going to start with the poppet. So I have this rubber ducky poppet. The bubbles are pretty small. It's the bad side. This is the good side. It's decent and it's a keychain poppet. The other keychain poppet I have is this octopus. I just kind of took the thing off. I have another keychain poppet. It's an elephant, but it's not right in my room right now, so let's just move on to other poppets. I actually got this poppet, and I mean, it's not the best poppet, but it's not the worst. I mean, this is the bad side. This is a good side. Let's see, I have way more. I have this purple circle poppet. I have no really fun shape. It's okay. Yeah. I have two more up here. I have this yellow puppet. This is the good side. That's probably one of my favorites. This is like also one of my favorites. Okay, moving on from my poppets, I have a triple dimple. I have a slime. I mean, it's not the best slime, but it's also not the worst. It's kind of sticky. Oh gosh. It's really sticky. Hold on, I'm going to wash my hands real quick. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. That slime is very sticky. Okay, moving on. I have a wacky track. I don't know. I kind of like ripped it up into pieces, but anyway, I do have a wacky track. I have a fidget spinner. A pineapple Nido. This is one of my DIY fidgets. Kind of like squishy. I have an infinity cube. I have a squishy. I don't know what this is. It's kind of like a snake, but it's not. You can bend it. This is a snake. And then I have a fidget ring. And I have this weird green thing that came with marbles, but I lost the marbles. So let me just put everything back in that I've already done. Okay, I have a snapper. I have an Orby squishy. I have a ton of pea poppers. My favorite ones are the ones that are darker green and they have oil on them, so they come out really easily. Because these are harder to do. I have a bike chain. I have monkey noodles. I'm not going to show you because I have a lot. Oh, here's my elephant puppet. There's the bad side. I didn't think it was here. Okay, now I have like a pig mochi. I have a ton of squishies, but I'm only just gonna show you one. It's my favorite because it's really slow rise. Some of my pop tubes. I have these pop tubes, and then I have a new pop tube, which I don't know where it is. It's right here. And then I have slime ball. I have it's like fidget controller. I have a ton of more stuff, like a puzzle ball, but it's all I can fit into one video. I also have this pop mochi. But thanks for watching.